It's a hot topic these days, and it's all around us. Energy. We use it all day, every day, to light our homes, cook our food, power our gadgets, and protect our most prized possessions. Whether it's from wind, sun, water, or other natural resources, did you know you have the ability to choose which kind of energy powers and secures your home and be rewarded for it? Independence Energy is at the front line of a major transformation in the energy market, and we've created a flexible suite of smart energy solutions for you to choose from.
You have to have energy, Last thing you turn off before you go to bed at night is the first thing you turn on in the morning.
Hey, did you know that you had a choice to ultimately have power to choose who your energy provider is?
Independence Energy, they offer a product which is a very fair, competitive product.
It's time for a change. You need to get on board because it's here.
From 100% renewable products sourced from wind energy, to rewarding cashback programs, to services that protect your home and family, Independence Energy is proud to offer you the power to choose affordable energy solutions to fit your lifestyle and bring sustainable change to you, your family, and the planet. Independence Energy is committed to providing you with the most empowering choices on the market. Energy can be created through precious natural resources, such as coal and oil, or through renewable energy sources, like sun, wind, and water. Choosing our 20% or 100% renewable products gives all of us the ability to protect the planet, support the development of renewable energy generation, and be rewarded for it year after year.
Green energy is good for the planet, and it's good for sustainability over the long term.
It's going to help sustain the planet. The rates are comparable.
Anything that's going to benefit the future and benefit my kids and benefit my grandkids. And I don't look at things at the moment. I want to look at things 10 to 20 years from now.
No matter which energy solution you choose, we'll reward and protect you as a smart energy customer by giving you 5% or even 10% cash back on your energy bill every year. And in this uncertain economy, we offer unemployment protection, and we'll help pay the energy bills of our customers who lose their jobs.
Who's giving cash back on a bill that's absolutely mandatory you pay every single month, along with competitive rates, along with the security in an uncertain economic time?
The unemployment protection I haven't seen with any other company ever. So if somebody happens to lose their job, they know that that essential service bill will be taken care of, and that's one less thing that they need to worry about.
Just imagine paying your electricity bill for 12 months and all of a sudden the 12th month rolls around and you get a free check in the mail. That's a major plus with the products.
Independence Energy is here to simplify your life by bringing sustainability and protection to you and your family. With affordable, smart home services giving you the power to control and maintain your home from anywhere, we'll help make your life as safe, energy efficient, and convenient as possible. Make the simple switch now to Independence Energy. It's free for you to begin today and take advantage of your power to choose a better, smarter future.